Battery. 13.5 minutes.
Low battery. Aircraft landing automatically.
14 minutes. Right, critical low battery at 9% as usual. Round 2. Okay, to remove the prop guards, you can see that, hey, this part is not even on. I wonder if they snapped during a crash. Popped off. So you can see that it's locked in. These little hooks hooking in. Need to pop them off here. And see. First time doing it. There we go. Then this slides out. So four hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one slides in. See? Okay. Ooh, sexy. Now the top is free for better efficiency, but no protection on the top. But at least protection on the bottom if you want to hand launch it. When you land it as well. So if you're flying outdoors, then you might want to take these off for maximum flight. Depends how you're using this drone. If you're using this drone to fly very far away, then yeah, you might want to remove these prop guards. But they do help protect it, and when you transport it as well. Slide out that. Okay, wow, streamlined. So we should get better flight time or hover time with this. Let's see. Prop guards removed. Ready to take off. Timer ready. Okay.
The timer. 14 minutes. It's now surpassed the prop guard in flight time. Remove prop guards. And you have 16% battery left. It says 1 minute. See how much more we can get. Low battery pops up at 14%. Okay. And it has 1 minute to land, so you don't get much warning. And from what I hear, there's no RTH without the remote. So you're really on your own if you're flying by Wi-Fi. Critical battery. Not landing.
Low battery. Aircraft landing automatically.
15 minutes and about 15.5, so an extra like a minute and a half without the prop guards. Not a lot. 9%. Same critical low battery percentage. Okay, time for charging after I let the battery rest. Okay, second test without prop guards. And it's raining outside, so the lighting, even though there's plenty of daylight coming in, there's a little bit more worried that it's going to hover, right? But let's see. Let's just go.
Starting. Yay. Staying still. Turn that on. Okay, 1 minute official low battery warning. We're 1 minute to and 14% battery life. We expect you to return it back yourself. We're at 15 minutes. Go! It's gonna get the longest. Is this the longest one I'm getting? Okay. 12%. As soon as it hits 9%, it's gonna go critical battery. "15 and a half minutes. There you go, critical battery. It's at 10, but then it'll reach by 9 by the time you get done. Yeah. It's actually
Low battery. Aircraft landing automatically.
Okay, so it's actually 10% that it lowers, but it always ends up at 9 by the time it lands. And we are it's like 15 minutes, 45 seconds. Nice.
Okay, the purpose of this is to run it with the fan. Popcorn's back on because I think most people are just going to leave them on. And so let's take it off and begin the timer. See if the wind affects it. Start timer. Listen to a fight. You gained altitude. This is fun. Area under aircraft is unsuitable for landing. Control aircraft to land in a safe area. Unsuitable for landing, a carpet. I don't know what you mean by that. Set up a light. I don't trust this drone. And make sure it can read the ground. This is how far it's moved from the original launching spot. It's definitely been pushed across. Oh, it's going down 10% battery. Getting to critical battery. We are looking at 13 and a half minutes right now. Hey, it's not bad. Oh, aircraft under unsuitable for landing. Doesn't even know what to do. Okay, let's see what happens. It thinks the ground it cannot land in. Why though? Why though? Empty of light. Okay, moving the drone over. Let me force it down. Down, pressing down. Down, 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 down. Look.
Automatically.
14.20, 14 minutes, 20 seconds. That's obviously over the, now it's at 3%. Yeah, so this is definitely past, oh, it's more at like 13 and a half, approaching 14. Yeah.